Hello and welcome to another Bleistift video, and today I want to look at another pencil from the giveaway, and it's the Faber-Castell TK-Fine 2315. This pencil has been out for many years, but somehow the shops I visit never had this specific version of the TK-Fine. So even though it's been out for a long time, it's the first time I've got one in my hands. You might recognize the TK-Fine line. You can get the TK-Fine 9715, or if you want 0.3, 9713, 9717, the last digit always indicates the lead diameter. You can get them. And they are actually, I would like to call them that. I would think of them as descendants of the Apollo, which has been around for a while, and I mentioned it more than once on the blog. I didn't have an Apollo back then, like 30 years ago, but I got to know it from Gunther. Now, the Apollo has a feature that I like very much, that unfortunately isn't so common anymore, and that's a sliding sleeve. So while you write, the sleeve slides back. Used to be common, unfortunately not common anymore. Now, the TK-Fine and the Apollo, they're made on the same machines at Faber-Castell, and the idea was, the Apollo was for writing, the TK-Fine is for drawing. Because of the rigid sleeve, you can use it with a ruler. And yes, I'd said more than 10-15 years the TK-Fine is made in the Faber-Castell factory in Geroldsgrün. But like I said, it's made on the same machines as the original Apollo. A very different pencil is the TK-Fine, and you might recognize its Japanese heritage from the eraser. I talked about that in previous videos. So it's part of the same line. It has that classical Castell dark green. So Apollo, the old one. Then we've got the 9715, and it's not a sliding sleeve, but you can make it pocket safe. You get to press quite a bit against something hard, and then you can retract the sleeve. And today's pencil, the TK-Fine 2315, I think looks very good. It's available in happy, nice colors. It's available in 0.5 and in 0.7. You might be able to see it here. It's also made in Germany. It also has a sleeve that you can retract, that you can make pocket safe, but not that easy. And the TK-Fine shares the fate with the Staedtler Mars Micro in that respect. It also shares another fate with the Staedtler Mars Micro. Both German made, both the retractable sleeve, but you need a lot of pressure to do it. All of them ISO coded here. 0.7 is blue, 0.5 is brown. Here's a brown, and this is brownish. Don't know whether on the video it looks more that, but it's kind of brownish. 0.3 is yellow, so ISO coded. And the other thing they all share, they all have plastic jaws. But I mentioned it many times before, so I don't go into details. Plastic jaws don't mean it's a bad pencil. They can also last decades. I like the happy colors, and I like the way this clip section looks. So I think whoever picks this as a prize for the giveaway made a very good choice. Okay, let's add the details to our database. Yeah. Okay, this is the can I focus? Faber-Castell TK-Fine. Lead diameter is 0.5 millimeter. Variations. It's available also in 0.7, and it's available in many different colors. Okay, let's have a look at the diameter. Oops. Are we still on 0? Let's reset it. 9.3. Oh, yeah. Quite difficult because of the shape here, but let's say 8.4 millimeter, but of course, you know, difficult shape to measure. Body diameter, that should be easier, so you can't see my numbers. 8.5. Made in Germany, and it's made in Geroldsgrün. Let's check the weight. Not sure whether you can see the display. 10.77 gram. So without limit for the database. Length. Let's have a look at the length. With the sleeve out. Over here, if I can. Once the 8.2. The sleeve detected. Does it have a laser? Oh, yes it does. And it has a cleaning needle. Clutch mechanism is plastic. I think it was a sleeve short. Oh, two. Let's see whether I can measure how much force you need to detect the sleeve, but I'm quite sure my scale doesn't go that high. No, I tried it with another scale tone. Thighs, oh yeah, I forgot to check the thighs. Let's have a look. So, Carl Pence won 6.49, £6.49. And this color, so yeah, they offer 0.5, 0.7, and this colors they've got black, dark blue, red, sky blue, and white. Yeah. So it's a good looking pencil, so if you don't mind having a plastic clutch, this might be a nice happy pencil for your collection or for your daily use. Okay, yeah, one thing to mention is that the Apollo I showed you before is unrelated to the new Apollo, because Faber-Castell a few months ago brought out a new Apollo. So yeah, this original Apollo, which looks like the TK-Fine, but the front is plastic. No real connection to the new Apollo. Okay, thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.